Here we are going to do the very question answer of this exercise. And the first question is the enclosure in which Curry lived had a thatched roof that lay on a thick tree stumps. Examine the illustrations of Curry's pavilion on page 8 and say why it was built that way. Here, the illustration of this question has been given on page number 8, but I would like to just illustrate up to some extent for your help. That here it was, as we know, that curry was bigger in size and a very uh, dangerous and powerful animal. That's why the thatched room was made a very higher and so that it cannot be broken easily by this beast. So it was made in that way it cannot be just collapsed by the bumping against, means डैश अगेंस्ट, जिसको हम बोलते हैं टकरा जाना, कि ये टकराया नहीं और इससे ये उसका झोपड़ा जो है पवेलियन है जिसमें वो रहता था वो गिरे नहीं. डिड करी enjoy his morning bath in the river? Give a reason for your answer. Yes, Curry enjoyed a lot the morning bath in the river because before entering the river, Curry used to lay on the sand and his friend used to rub his all body, and after that Curry used to enter the river and enjoy the bathing, and after that feeling lots of happiness and cooling. In this way Curry enjoyed the morning bath. Third number, finding good twins for Curry took a long time. Why? Definitely, it was a very difficult task for the narrator to find the twigs, means a very delicate, a very soft branches of the tree, because Curry was not able to just eat and consume all these hard branches of the tree. So uh, his friend has to find and climb different types of trees and search the food for Curry. So it was really very difficult task and used to take lots of time. Question number 4, why did Curry push his friend into the stream? Curry pushed his friend into a stream because on the bottom of the water there was a child lying, and for saving the child, Curry pushed her friend inside the river. Curry was like a baby. What are the main point of comparison? Definitely, uh, here the comparison of a baby with the Curry has been made, because as a child, when we just uh, teach the children lots of things, manners, these all things, the children learn all the things of life, and uh, and all the same, it has been given the comparison of child with the Curry. Curry helped himself to all the bananas in the house without anyone noticing it. How did he do it? Definitely, when the narrator was sitting in the room and without uh, knowing anyone, Curry entered through the window with the help of his trunk, and narrator thought that it was a snake, but it was not a snake. It was Curry who, without noticing anyone, stole all the bananas and went away and enjoyed. Curry learnt the commands to sit and walk. What were the instructions for each command? Just definitely, it took some times for Curry to learn all the qualities and things of a command, and that commands were uh, for sitting and walking. If Curry used to, if the narrator used to say that Curry used to sit, and second one command was Mali, means to walk. जब वो माली बोलते थे तो वो चलने लगता था. यही दो इंस्ट्रक्शन और कमांड दिया गया था करी को. व्हाट इज़ द मास्टर कॉल? Why is it the most important signal for an elephant to learn? Definitely, it is a hissing sound given by the master of the elephant. When the master is there in problem, the elephant definitely will understand uh, that yes, there is my master there in problem, and that is the master call. It is supposed to be the very difficult task to learn for the elephant, and definitely it takes 5 years for elephant to learn. When the elephant learns this master call, they are supposed to be very smart, very curious, and helpful for its master. Thank you.